It amazes me that Jenny slept the entire time. And of course, this animal did not.
The thing is I could sleep more. I could keep sleeping.
It is morning time. Nobody knows what time it is, but we just got our breakfast. We got a vegetable Sammy. Kind of bizarre little thing. We got a little mixed fruit salad and then a granola bar. I might save that for later. Fruit salad's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. Watermelon's refreshing. Happy with that. Yeah. We have 1 hour until we get there. Well, until we get to Frankfurt. And then we have a layover and then we fly to Barcelona.
Frankfurt, France.
Yeah. Frankfurt, France. So we have landed and we are going, we've got about an hour and a half until we fly out again. Yeah, an hour and 15 before boarding starts. So we're gonna go find our gate, get through customs, get checked into the EU, and go find a beer, maybe a pretzel. Right?
What? Huh? No?
What?
Yes, no, maybe.
Yeah, that looked good.
Or not big at it.
Save you for that.
What do you want? This I just don't have to come forward.
The nice thing about having obnoxiously ugly colored luggage, you can see when they come off. We were hoping that the last member of our travel group was going to get in approximately half an hour, but it doesn't look like that because he still hasn't hopped the pond, we believe. So he's gonna have to find his own way. Hopefully that works out. Found our driver, we're headed to the Airbnb. Oh, this is the football club. We have arrived to our VRBO, and up here is going to be one of our balconies at some point this week. So it's going to be so pretty. So excited. It was super easy to get here. I was a little bit worried because they say that Eixample is really tough to maneuver even for locals, but he took us right here. super easy, and it's really handy that the doors are all different. So we looked for the loopy swoopy ones. Chin chin team. Salud to España. Okay, come on in to our VRBO. First things first, we're gonna hang around to the left. And if you take a look, this is the first bedroom, which is a single. Miss Jenny is going to be in here. Little tiny bed for a little tiny gal. Perfect. And then, oh, there's a bathroom here, and somebody's in it. So,
Yeah, it doesn't really close there.
we're gonna keep going. So then we have our second bathroom, complete with a bidet, which is important because that is one of the things that I miss most about my bathroom. So coming through here, we have the kitchen, which I expect that we will definitely use in the mornings for coffee. We have the living room and formal dining room. I don't know. It's nice though. It's nice. And then we have a little, I don't know, sunroom that overlooks this beautiful little courtyard. It's super cool. I like it a lot. So then, if we come down the hallway to the other side, it's a long hallway. We've got a room here with a double for cuddles. So then we have the master bedroom, which opens up onto the street, overlooking everything.
Yeah. We're in Barcelona.
Welcome to Spain. No? We're trapped. Definitely something there. No. Well, they look black. That's pretty tight.
Is it the same as that other room? Oh, okay. We can't get out of it. You come in. Oh, we just wait to be buzzed in.
Oh no. We're stuck.
He's like, I don't know where you're either.
Oh, we feel so dumb.
Oh, do we have to
I think
buzz
so.
in? Oh,
Thank you.
do we have a buzzer then?
I think it's this thing.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Feels so dumb. Ah,
He's like, I think you are dumb.
Adventure numero uno, and we can't figure out how to open a door. Oh God.
We're never gonna make it here.
It's stupido.
Stupid eye.
Oh, even worse.
Stupid eye.
Oh. Peg stamp. Peg stamp. Peg stamp. Peg stamp. Peg stamp. Peg. No, that was a very short peg stamp.
Agua fresca. A little warm.
We are going to cheat on the boys because they're at home playing crib, and we're out providing cookies and wine from Italy, and we're gonna get a drink at the Humble Beer. He's going to be mad.
But you know what feels good? Sitting right here.
Here's to Eva for planning this wonderful adventure.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay, and then,
As we're touching your disgusting ew.
no, her mouth is on the other side.
Ew. If you are in Eixample area, Barcelona, come to the Humble Beer because this place is awesome. And we were asking about stickers as we walked in. And right as I was doing dishes, aka walking the glasses back in, he showed me the bag that some gal just brought in, and they just got their stickers. Woohoo! So we made it back to the VRBO, and the guy that we were waiting on just texted and said that he finally made it in. He got delayed, which I'm glad we didn't even try to wait at the airport because
Or not, yeah.
yeah, that wouldn't have worked out at all. So now we are going to go find some snackables and eat something because 'tis time.
I just found cuttlefish. We ate all the other things.
These open.
I think I had to go to the store and get it.
Yeah.
That is really good.
Does it smell like rotten milk?
Oh, soft milk.
They are good. I feel a lot better.
I've honestly made almost a third of my story this year.
Catalonia's Notice Page.